from a different part of my house because, well, it came. So we're gonna do an unboxing. But I figured I just needed to be in the kitchen. Bear with me. I'm a little stuffy and my throat hurts. But regardless of that, I'm excited about this package. So I'm just cutting it. So I got 2 of the premiums. I went for the Supreme and they were sold out. 8 minutes says baby sold out. I was on the website at the time and didn't get one. That's the playroom. It's dirty. Oh, these are heavy. Okay. So here's the first one. Okay, so I got 2 of the premium because since the Supreme was sold out and the premium was still available, I figured I would just get 2 of these. It's the same price and pray that it's different stuff. If not, we'll have duplicates. We'll see. So I haven't seen anybody post what they got in their boxes. I've seen a couple of the bigger boxes revealed, but I haven't seen any of the smaller boxes. So I'm kind of excited. So let's cut this tape. You'll have to excuse my kids screaming in the background. They're insane. Okay. Got all the tape loose. So let's. Ooh. Okay. So tissue paper. We're gonna try on. I think my 2-year-old would look really cute in this. Okay, now that I look like a cancer patient, this must be an exclusive item. We have a pop socket with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo. We have the gloss. This was in shade Succulent. And it's actually really pretty. Let's just go ahead and put it on. Ooh, smells really good. Oh, I hate it. It goes really good with my no makeup and my socket. And then everybody is talking about this. So, if you're not familiar, ooh, the packaging though. If you're not familiar with Jeffree Star Cosmetics, he just recently just recently discontinued this palette just to make room for some of his newer stuff. So this one is actually really pretty. I don't do much with greens, but I don't know. What do you guys think? A green look with this beanie? Okay, so that was the first box. Okay, so I had a quick phone call for a second. I went ahead and took my beanie off. I'm standing right over a heat register, so I started getting a little warm. So, in the first box, just to recap, pretty pink gloss, the Alien palette, pop socket, Valentine's hat, which we just got a ton of snow. Not a ton, but the most we've had all year. So maybe I will wear the sock hat, especially if there's two of them. Okay, so I'm cutting the box. Okay, and now we're opening succulent. This is a repeat. Beanie. Pop socket. Alien palette. It's really unfortunate. I knew, I'm putting all that back in the box. I knew that purchasing two of the same size boxes gave me the chance of getting the same thing. But I was really hoping for something different, because if it would have been my choice, I would have gotten two different sizes. I wouldn't have gotten two of the same size. So I really wish that they could get that fixed, because if the boxes aren't going to be a variation of things and you're going to send everything the same in every size box, then what is the point in being able to buy two, limiting people to only buying two of each size? Because it doesn't make sense. Again, I was on the website 2 minutes before the launch, and the internet was super laggy, and I was still not able to get the big one or the medium one. I'm gonna take a brief pause again, and when I come back, I'll be in the bathroom. We'll chat, and I'll use my Alien palette and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with this other palette. Be back.